the radii of two cylinder are in the ratio 2:3 and their height are in the ratio 5:3, then find the ratio of their volume. So class 10 CBSE or state syllabus, these all questions are important. Today I will explain only 5 questions about only surface area and volume. So this chapter is very much important and scoring chapter. The radii of two cylinder in the ratio 2:3. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 cylinder na consider ಮಾಡಿದರೆ that corresponding that 2 cylinder also ratio 2:3 and their height of the 2 cylinder is 5:3. Then find the ratio of their volume. So how to find out this? So first one, so what is given radii of the 2 cylinder? So first one is radii of 2 cylinder be R1 and R2. We have to write in this ratio form R1 is to R2, that equal to 2:3. 2:3 and height of the 2 cylinder. So height of 2 cylinder consider be H1 and H2. So write in the ratio form H1 is to H2 equal to 5:3. 5:3. Using this two data and to find out the volume of the cylinder. What is the formula for find outing volume of the cylinder? Volume of the cylinder V equal to pi r square h. Consider volume of 2 cylinder be V1 and V2. Find out in the ratio from V1 divided by V2 equal to pi R1 square H1 divided by pi R2 square H2. So pi get cancelled, remaining is R1 by R2 whole square into H1 by H2. We know that what is the R1? R1 is 2. 2 divided by R2 is 3 whole square into what about height? Height of the 2 cylinder H1 is 5 and H2 is 3. 5 by 3. Then want to find a 2 square means 4. 4 by 3 square 9. 5 by 3. Then V1 by V2 equal to 5 4 is a 20 divided by 9 3 is a 27. Find out the ratio of the volume of the cylinder. Ratio of the volume of the cylinder is V1 is to V2 equal to 20 is to 27. 20 is to 27. The second question, two volume of the two sphere are in the ratio 64 is to 27. Find the ratio of their surface area. So two volumes of a two sphere are in the ratio 64 is to 27 means two sphere is there. The two sphere volume is 64 is to 27. Find the ratio of their surface area. Ratio of the surface area means we have to consider volume of the two sphere is V1 and V2 and surface area is A1 and A2. So volume is given, we have to find out first radius. So using the volume of the sphere, V equal to 4 by 3 into pi r cube. Using that formula, we have to find out the radius of the sphere. After that, find out the surface area of the sphere. So first consider volume of the sphere be V1 and V2. Then radius of sphere be R1 and R2. So volume of the two sphere is given. Volume of the two sphere is nothing but V1 by V2 equal to 64 by 27. First we have to find out the total surface area or surface area of sphere. Want to find out this one. But we don't know what is the radius. Radius is how much is not given. Only volume of the sphere is given. So using the volume of sphere Vs equal to volume of the sphere Vs equal to 4 by 3 into pi r cube. Using this formula, find out the radius of the sphere. So V1 by V2 equal to 4 by 3 pi r1 cube divided by 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. 4 by 3 pi get cancelled. Remaining 1 by r1 by cube, r2 by cube. What is r1 by cube? Equal to V1 by V2. What is the V1 by V2 formula? 64 by 27 equal to r1 by cube equal to divided by r2 by cube. So what is r1 by r2? Cube root of 64 divided by 27. What is the cube root of 64? 4. What is the cube root of 27? 3. Therefore, R1 is to R2 equal to 4 is to 3. This is the radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere is 4 is to 3. Using this, find out the surface area of the sphere. Surface area of the sphere. Surface area of the two sphere is denoted by A1. What is the formula? 4 pi r square. So find out the ratio. So A1 by A2. A1 by A2. Find the area of the sphere is A1 by A2. 4 pi r1 square divided by 4 pi r2 square. So we don't know A1 by A2. 4 pi and 4 pi get cancelled. Remaining is A1 by A2 equal to R1 square by R2 square. A1 by A2 equal to, what is R1? R1 is 4 square. What is R2? 3 square. 4 4 is 64. 3 3 is 9. Sorry, 4 4 is 16. 4 4 is 16. So write in the ratio of the surface area of the sphere. A1 is to A2 equal to 16 is to 9. 16 is to 9. This is the final answer.